Welcome students. In this video I'm going to talk about the sum rule and some examples. So the sum rule says that dx of u prime of x, ux plus vx is equal to u prime of x plus v prime of x. So I'm going to show you two examples. One is going to be f of x equal to 3x squared plus 4x, and then I'm going to show you f of x is equal to x cubed plus 3x plus 3. Okay, so the derivative is as follows: f prime of x is equal to 3 times 2x 2 minus 1 plus 4x 1 minus 1. That's equal to 3 times 2, that's 6x, and then 2 minus 1 is 1, so that becomes x, then plus 4, because 1 minus 1 is 0, x to the 0 is 0, is 1, I'm sorry, yes. Okay, the next example is x cubed 3x plus 3. That means that f prime of x is equal to 3x squared plus 3 plus 0. That's equal to 3x squared plus 3. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe.